Hey, welcome to Timber and Chain. I'm Elisa Hopper.
And in this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a beautiful floral arrangement with all foraged pieces. First off, I apologize for filming this vertically. Let's move on. Now, I'm no florist by any means, but all you need are a few quick tips for filling your home or cabin with some natural branches and fragrant flora. I wanted a winter arrangement for our family cabin dining table, and since we weren't going to be there every day, it needed to be low maintenance. We are up in Shaver Lake, California, and this past summer saw the worst wildfires in the state's history. The creek fire destroyed a large part of the forest, but most of the neighborhoods, including ours, remain intact. Special thanks to all the firefighters and public servants who made that happen. I hope they know what a blessing they are to so many lives. I mention the fires because they damaged a lot of the surrounding manzanita, which is a protected kind of tree bush, but when the branches were burned, they literally fell off onto the ground, so I snagged a couple from my parents' property. So to start, I found a simple white pitcher. I wanted something high for the center, and then I could work my way to the outside of the arrangement. The manzanita branches are a beautiful deep dark red, and the formally green leaves turned pink on one side and a really pale green brown on the other. Behind those, I wanted something a little lower for levels, so I cut some of the dead weed-type flowers that had been frozen under the snow outside, and I bunched them in sections. They needed to be cut down anyway, so that worked well. Next, and my favorite part, I wanted something to branch out, pun absolutely intended, to the sides of the table length. And if you forage around the woods and in the hills, you can find dead, fallen, or burnt branches in all lengths and shapes lying on the ground. It's pretty amazing. These were covered in soft, bright green moss, so it gave the arrangement some depth. And last, we want to give it a little breadth, so it's not just straight up and down, and trailing bendy pieces work best. I cut a few low-hanging branches from the trees in the yard that were kind of a bit in the way. They have little yellow berries on them, which gives them even more brightness and color, and they trail all over the sides of the pitcher. I keep working them around the rim until all the holes are filled and it has a bit of substance. There really are no rules here for your creativity. Now is the time to top it off with some decorative curly branches. These are all very dead, so I'm trying to be careful not to break off the little branches in the process. So there it is. So simple, and it took about 6 minutes from start to finish once I found everything. It's amazing what you can find all around you in nature. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, I would love it if you'd subscribe, like, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now go make something amazing.